Hello, everybody. Candlelighting time this evening is 4 p.m. Today is the last day of Chanukah. You know, when we talk about the Torah reading that we read on Shabbos Chanukah, there are only two portions that will be read on Shabbos Chanukah, either Vayeshev or Miketz, just one of those two. Sometimes it's both of them. If Shabbos is the first day of Chanukah, and the last day of Chanukah, we'll read Vayeshev on the first one and Miketz on the second one. So there has to be a very strong connection between the portions of Vayeshev and Miketz and the holiday of Chanukah. Now, in both of these portions, we read about dreams. In Vayeshev, we read about the dreams of Joseph, and Miketz, the dreams of Pharaoh. And those dreams were very different from each other. And there's a very important lesson that we learn from the content of those dreams. You see, when Hashem created the world, there were four divisions within creation. There's what we call domain, which means inanimate objects, like stone and soil and so on. And then you have tzomeach, which is the world of vegetation, everything that grows. And then you have chai, which means the animal kingdom. And then you have medaber, which is mankind. And the goal of each one is to elevate, of course, into the next level. Like the lowest level will feed the plants. In other words, plants grow from the minerals in the water in the ground. And then you have animals that will eat the plants. Then you have people that will eat the animals. And where do the people go? Well, the people elevate to a higher level, which is called spirituality. The world of spirituality and godliness that we reach by doing a mitzvah and studying Torah. And if you look at the order of Pharaoh's dreams, he's going in a downward descent. The first dream was about cows, the 7 fat cows and 7 skinny cows. And the second dream was about ears of corn. He's going from the level of the animal kingdom down to the level of the world of vegetation. Joseph's dreams, however, are in a different pattern. His first dream was about binding sheaves of wheat. He's dreaming about the world of vegetation. And the second dream was about the sun, moon, and the stars that represent the fifth level, the world of spirituality and godliness. So Joseph is going on an upward level. And that is the message of Chanukah. Chanukah is telling us that we should never stay on the same level. We always have to increase in light, increase in Torah, increase in mitzvahs by adding a candle each night. That means that we have to try very hard, that today should always be better than yesterday, and tomorrow should be better than today. And we do that by increasing the light, doing another mitzvah, learning a little bit more Torah, or maybe doing a mitzvah in a better way, adding not to the quantity of the mitzvahs we do, but to the quality of the mitzvahs that we do. And when we do that, we know that we're pushing away the darkness of exile, and we're hastening the coming of Mashiach, which is going to be hopefully extremely soon. Will take us out of exile and bring us to the land of Israel and rebuild the third and final temple. Have a wonderful, wonderful last day of Chanukah and a very meaningful Shabbos.